Hello, and welcome to a new episode of this JPAD Modeller tutorial series. During this video, we will explore the contents of a generic lifting surface section of the CAD Manager. As for the aircraft parametric model, all lifting surfaces also share the same CAD parametric model, except for the main, which has some additional options in terms of movables and tip types. Let's consider the main wing as our reference lifting surface for this video. Besides the possibility to generate, or not, the related 3D model, you can manage additional parameters. Similar to the fuselage case, the first one is related to the number of sections to be used for each lifting surface panel. Then, you can decide to split the lifting surface leading edge, or close its trailing edge by using the dedicated checkboxes. The first option will split the lifting surface shell into two shells related to its upper and lower parts. On the other hand, the second option allows to join the points at the rear end of all airfoils. In addition, you can select which type of tip your lifting surface must have by using Use the Related drop-down menu. All types but the winglet can be used for each lifting surface. The cutoff will simply cut the tip, while the rounded type will automatically round the shape of the tip, keeping its original wingspan. Finally, the winglet type, that we will use for this example, allows automatically generating of the related advanced components starting from the three parameters reported below. The first one allows the definition of the extension of the winglet in the longitudinal direction. The second one allows the definition of its spanwise extension. The third one handles the winglet taper ratio. The spanwise extension of the winglet plays a fundamental role since it allows to range between very smooth winglet, like the one of the latest A350, and sharklet-like winglets. For the sake of this video, let's try modeling a sharklet by using a small value of the y-offset parameter. Awesome, our winglet has been correctly applied. See how simple has been to customize with the JPAD CAD model by including an advanced component like the winglet. We will skip the description of the detailed movables CAD modeling since it will be the focus of the next video of this JPAD Modeller CAD Manager playlist. See you there.